guys, today we're doing a keto spinach Greek wrap. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, I have here my almond tortilla. You can go on the below description link and see how we have done the tortillas. Next, I'm going to add a pizza pasta sauce on the tortilla. There you go. Next, I'm going to add some baby spinach to the same. Plus some feta on the top. To finish off the same, we're going to add a slice of avocado to the same. Lastly, you can drizzle some oregano. And the amazing keto spinach Greek wrap is ready. And our yummy keto spinach Greek wrap is ready. Again, it's super easy, loaded with nutrients, healthy fat, and amazing taste. Thank you so much for watching. Request you to please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, and amazing, awesome recipes. Thank you. See you soon.